In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your company email in Outlook on a mobile device. Before you begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your company login details. Some organizations also require two-factor authentication or approval through a security app, so keep those ready. Start by opening the Google Play Store and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Install the official Microsoft app, then tap Open. After the welcome screens, choose the option to add an account. Enter your full company email address exactly as provided and tap Continue. Outlook will detect your organization's settings, and if it asks what type of account you're adding, choose the correct work option, usually Microsoft 365 or Exchange. You'll be redirected to your company's secure sign-in page. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication steps, such as confirming a prompt or entering a verification code. Some companies also require device management permissions for security. If you're asked to allow your organization to manage a work profile, review the details and accept. This is normal for protecting company data. Next, Outlook will request access to your contacts, calendar, and notifications. Allow these permissions so your emails, meetings, and alerts sync properly on your device. You can adjust notifications immediately or change them later in settings. After sign-in, Outlook will start syncing your inbox. The first sync may take a few minutes depending on how much mail you have. Messages will begin to appear, and you can switch between the focused and other tabs. Your calendar is available from the bottom menu, and you can add more work accounts anytime by going to Settings and selecting Add Account. If setup doesn't work, double-check your email address, password, internet connection, and any pending verification steps. Once everything syncs, your company email is ready to use, and you can manage your inbox and calendar on the go.